Hi there. So whenever I try to enter the match lobby, at times occasionally this happens. This issue happens occasionally, but it is annoying. So let me show you how it occurs. So whenever I try to launch the game and join the game, as you can see, it shows joining game 100%, and then again shows joining game, but never enters the match lobby, and we end up seeing this error loading timeout. If you are also experiencing this issue, here is how I fixed it. So close the game, then open settings, then go to connections, open mobile networks, then click on network mode, select 2G only. So wait till the network changes to 2G data, then again click on network mode, select 4G, 3G and 2G auto connect, close the settings. Now launch Call of Duty Mobile again. Now let's see if the game works as it should. As you can see, the game now successfully enters the match lobby. So that's it for this video. If the video did help you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.